Hello everyone. Today we are reviewing the XPPen Deco 640 digital notepad. And before you make a choice on which e-note tablet to buy, you need to watch this. I have done comprehensive research on this device, and you'll find the best price link in the description below. So you click it to learn everything about the XPPen Deco 640's price, performance, and real-world usage. We'll cover all the essential features and WHO this device is perfect for. Let's dive right in and get started. The XPPen Deco 640's standard feature is undoubtedly its revolutionary X-Paper key with 3 distinctive color modes. The 10-95-inch digital notepad lets you switch between monochrome LCD, light color, and nature color modes with a single press. It's like having 3 devices in one. The nano-etched display powered by TCL and XPPen 3.0 technology reduces up to 95% of ambient light interference, delivering an exceptional paper-like visual experience that's remarkably easy on the eyes. Technical specifications are where this device truly shines. The 90Hz refresh rate ensures battery smooth patch transitions without any G-hosting or lag. You might as well throw in traditional e-readers at this point. With 16.7 million color support, 400 nit brightness, and TVEF SD certifications for both low blue light and paper-like display, your eyes will thank you during those marathon note-taking sessions. The display eliminates image flicker and reduces harmful blue light by 75%, making it perfect for students, professionals, and digital artists who spend hours writing and sketching. The upgraded X3 Pro Pencil 2 is an absolute game changer. Featuring 16 pressure sensitivity levels and a soft pen nib, it's remarkably responsive to your writing style. The pencil adjusts stroke tightness and color depth based on pressure, making your annotations look professionally done. Moreover, the magnetic attachment and customizable shortcut key boost productivity significantly. It's like having a personal assistant built into your stylus. XPPen's native Notes app is outstanding for organization enthusiasts. With permanent membership included, you get handwritten to text conversion, voice recording, PDF importing and editing, multiple brush options, and an eye assistant. Additionally, the one-click wake feature and automatic cloud saving to OneDrive or Google Drive ensure you'll never lose important notes. The Android 14 operating system opens up the entire Google Play ecosystem, transforming this into a versatile entertainment and productivity powerhouse. Hardware-wise, the 128GB storage provides ample space for thousands of documents, while the massive 8000 mAh battery with 20W fast charging keeps you productive all day. Furthermore, the 13-megapixel front camera, dual speakers, and dual microphones make this perfect for remote meetings. At just 495G and 7mm thick, it's impressively portable for business travelers. However, one notable downside is the lack of a backlit feature. While the display is exceptional and well-lit environment is, you might want to treat nighttime reading sessions like a delicate flower. They simply won't happen without external lighting. Some users may find this limiting, especially those who enjoy late-night journaling or reading in bed. The target audience clearly includes students, business professionals, digital artists, and anyone transitioning from traditional paper notebooks. The 3 color modes accommodate different preferences, whether you're annotating PDFs, sketching the CNS, or taking meeting notes. You got it. So, that's it for the best digital notepad on the market for this year. Like, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe.